Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to spend it with me and my furry sidekicks here. So, Xena is here. Can you tell everybody hi? Say hi. She's completely in it for the treat, so I had to tell her to come up here because there are treats in the room, and there are. So, she's here, and she's happy because she knows there's treats at the end, right? Wyatt's here. He's oblivious to everything. He's always nearby. So he's just happy if there is people in the room. So he's such a goofball. So thank you so much for joining me. I have a unboxing for you today. So my channel, I do unboxings and try-ons and reviews and what I wore videos, and we try to keep it fun. So please consider hitting that subscribe button and sticking around. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Your support means the world to me. So for today, look what just came in. My Natalie Attired box just came in for January. So Natalie Attired is a styling service. I believe it's $20 for the styling fee. Comes off of anything that you keep. You get 5 items. I think it's 20% off if you keep all 5. I'll confirm everything. All right, so let's dig in. Here's the inside of my box. You do get some paperwork. So my stylist is Evie. She's been my, Evie, maybe? She's been my stylist all along. I'm not going to read my notes till afterwards because usually that gives away what is in here, and I like to be surprised. I get a price sheet, which I'm also not going to look at. I'm just going to confirm my facts here. So yes, $20 styling fee. Credit towards anything that you decide to keep, 20% discount if you keep all, and there are 5 items. So, and I will put my referral link down below in case if you'd like to give Natalie Attired a try, as well as I will list all the items that came in this box. So, you also get a bag to return anything that you don't love and don't want to keep, free shipping both ways. So let's get this bundle out. Ooh, check this out. I see something furry. Let's check it out. All right. So, first up, it looks like a coat. Vest, maybe? Oh, I think it's a vest. A furry vest. So this is by Love Tree. And we'll do prices at the end. So, looks like an olive vest with a very soft furry hood. And this is the inside line too. Oh yeah, the whole inside is furry. Check that out. So that's cute. I do have green vests, but I don't have any that are fur lined. So that's really nice. Has the drawstring, the flat pockets, no pockets on the boobs, which is nice. I really don't like the pockets on the boobs. It does actually, there's one pocket here, but it's a nice little zipper pocket instead. Wouldn't add any bulk. That's nice. Very nice. Oh, and check out the hood actually is detachable. So it zippers right off. Not even a snap or anything. It zippers right off. Very nice. I like that. Very nice. All right. Next up is by Kika. And this is a soft button-down top with like these thicker banded cuffs. It also has the bands on the side. Check that out. Can you see that? This one does have pockets on the boobs. So that's different. I don't have anything like that. All right, next up is by Chris and Carol. And this is a lot of fabric. What is this? A kimono style top? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, okay. So it's a top, and okay. It's a floral pattern. I see strings too. And this is the back of it. I think this is why I'm confused. So it looks like these sleeves actually like start all the way in the middle of the back and like are almost just like an extra piece. So like it's almost like a sleeveless top, right? And then has this extra cape-ish style sleeve. I don't know how I feel about that. All right, we'll try that on. Another Chris and Carol item. I feel like I've gotten something like this before. So this is a sweater, little V-neck sweater. And I don't know, is this gray and white? I think it's gray and white. I feel like this is going to snag easily. I feel like it's already snagging on my dry hands. Has the little seam in the middle down the back. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but it does have a seam down the middle. And then has the little open slit in the back at the bottom. But this feels very snaggy to me. All right, and last item are tribal jeans. But they almost look like a legging. They're jegging. So they're an ankle jegging by Tribal Jeans. I was looking to see what size these are. These are 2. They do have some stretch. These are faux pockets in the front. And I think this is a green. Yeah, this looks green to me. What does this say? Time. Color Time. I think this is like a green color. And they're almost more of a straight leg than a skinny, I think. We'll have to see what that looks like on. This is a faux zipper. Yeah, well, this is fake in the front, but it does have actual pockets in the back. All right, that's all 5 pieces. Let's see what my stylist has to say. All right, and where did I hide that? I have no idea. What did I do? Okay, here it is. Hi, Laura. I sent ankle jeans with 3 tops that will all look cute with them. Try your camo top with them too. The vest and cream shirt would be great with your blue or black jeans. Enjoy, Evie. Happy New Year. All right, so let's see how these work. I will be right back with the try on. First outfit, I put on this top that I really wasn't sure about, and the ankle leg jeggings, I guess they are. Okay, so first up is this top, which isn't quite as bad as I thought it was going to be, although I can't really say that I love it because I feel like I have wings, right? So, oh, I don't know where to start with it. Okay, so it has like these extra pieces. Like it has like a regular arm, right? And then it has this extra piece that's connected in the back and kind of creates like a 3/4 sleeve, but it's kind of more like a wing. And I'll be honest with you, I don't really know what to do with it. So I like the little notch collar. I don't think the pattern's bad. I think it looks nice with these green jeggings, but I'm not loving this extra fabric. I wish it just had a regular sleeve, I think. I would like it better. I like the length of it, but I'm not going to be able to get over this odd sleeve. All right, the jegging is cute. It has this nice flat front. The color is different, although it feels more of a spring pant to me. It's a lighter weight, and it's an ankle pant. So an ankle pant. So you can see it kind of hits me right above these boots, and I think they're nice. I'm not sure that I need them. We'll just see how much they are. They have regular working pockets in the back. They fit nicely. You know, they're like a regular jegging, not too tight. And I just put on some my pink booties to add some color to this outfit since it's pretty muted, I thought. So, and I do feel strings here coming off of this. The others, look at this string coming off of this top too. Okay, next outfit. So next is the sweater, which is a tunic length sweater. You can see from the back it has that open little slit in the back. And this is an oversized sweater. I've got tons of room in it. I also feel like it's fairly sheer, so I put a tank on. But, you know, you can see my nails through this and my fingers. It's pretty sheer. I also feel like it would snag pretty easily. And I'm pretty sure I feel like I got this exact sweater before in another box and returned it. So I'm actually surprised to get this back. But maybe it wasn't a Natalie Attired box. Maybe it was a different box. I don't know. Now I'm curious. I feel like I'm going to have to go back and look. But I mean, this is just an okay sweater. I'm not really loving it. And I think it's a bit too big for me. It feels kind of, you know, just kind of oversized and just hanging on me. All right, next. Okay, next is the stretchy button-down shirt, which isn't bad, actually. It's cute. It is very stretchy, as you can see, and it has the little side panel here, and it's a little bit shorter than I was expecting it to be, but it's not bad. So it's a cute button down. I'm not big on button downs because I don't like to iron, but I'm thinking you could put this one in the dryer and fluff it up. So the only thing is I see it's pulling a little bit here, so I don't like that. The rest of the buttons aren't really pulling because I have a lot of room here. So I could probably put a tank on and maybe leave this one open if I want to keep this. Because otherwise it's I think it's a cute button down. But there's nothing really exciting about it. It's a basic. And I'm not sure I need it. I don't really usually like button downs. Only because I don't like to iron, and a lot of times collars don't work well with jackets that you might be wearing, but this one isn't bad. Let's try it with the vest, the fully lined fur vest. Which that's cute. I like the length of this vest. I love the fur lining. It does have snaps as well as a zipper. I love that you can take the hood off. I still have room even though it's zipped. That's nice. So if I wanted to wear something a little bit heavier underneath, I could. So I don't know, what do you guys think? It has snaps on the pockets as well. It's not a bad vest. It's kind of cute. We'll have to see how much it is. All right, so I will be right back for a quick wrap up. Let you guys see this a little bit closer. All right, now I'll be right back. So let's run through some pricing of these items and let's see where we are. First up is the Kika top. That's this one. This is the little stretchy button down. This is $39. So I thought this was a cute basic, but I didn't like how that top button was pulling and opening. So I'm thinking probably not. Next up was the utility hoodie vest. This is only $39. So I thought this was cute for $39. And in order not to lose my $20 styling fee, I could apply it towards this and get this for only 19 bucks. So I'm leaning towards keep doing that right now. Next up is the V-neck sweater top, and this is $34. So this is already snagging on my dry skin, and it's relatively see-through, and I'm pretty sure I already got this and passed on it once. So I'm thinking this is a no as well. Then this is called a elbow butterfly sleeve floral top. So it's called a butterfly sleeve top. I don't get this top. It's probably just me. I don't understand it. I don't get it. And I don't think I would ever reach for it. This was only $39, but this is a no for me. And last up is the Ankle Pant by Tribal, and I actually liked these. So I thought these would be a great alternative for a dress pant because obviously there is no distressing. It's a nice neutral color, and I think that you could do a lot with them. These are $87. So I could also apply my styling fee to these if I think I would wear them. So I think what I'm going to do is decide between the vest or the pants and just pick one of them and apply my styling fee towards those. So that's where you guys come in. Help me decide. Which one did you like best? What did you think I should keep? Because I'm pretty sure I'm only going to keep one item here out of this box. And I'm leaning towards the vest or the pants. So please, please, please comment below. Let me know what you think I should keep. What was your favorite? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider hitting that like. Please, please, please help my channel grow and hit that subscribe button. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. So look at Wyatt. He's like out. And Zena's hiding in the corner underneath the treat table. She refuses to participate until I give her more treats, which I already did give her treats. So have an awesome, awesome day. Till next time, everyone. Bye.